off by saying thank you guys so much to everyone that's been tuning in, commenting, subscribing. The last video was going crazy. That's been super cool to see. We are almost at 500 subs. We're like, when you're watching this, I think we're about 7 subs away from 500. So that's awesome. I think the 30-day marker is coming up tomorrow. So when you guys are seeing this, it'll only have been 30 days, but we've only been posting every day for 30 days. So it shows you guys what consistency and volume creates greatness. That being said, you guys, let's get the day started and I'll see you guys soon. All right, you guys. So it's a little bit after 10 right now. I did my morning routine and then just had to kind of do some work stuff. I've been doing a lot of like objection handling stuff for you guys in the community, and the community's growing. There's a ton of people getting that community, so that's super cool. Today's Thursday, so we have that meeting today as well for the community members in premium. I'm trying to pick out a fit. It's still warm today. I can feel it in the air. As you guys know, and as I've been saying, I enjoy the warm weather. I think I'm gonna wear this, the beater as a top. I'm trying to figure out some pants I want to wear. I'll either go these Gucci ones, if you guys can see the print on them, or I might go some baggier ones. I feel like baggier ones today, to be honest. These ones, I think you guys have seen me wear these recently, but we're gonna wear them again. So all right guys, I'm gonna throw those on and I'll show you guys in a sec. All right you guys, so here's the pants on. I think I've shown you guys these before. I have to rock the belt because they're just bigger, and that's how I think that, say baggy or whatever, that's how to get them bigger. But I'm gonna pick out the shoes. Oh, my bag's over here. I'm gonna pick out what shoes I wanna rock with them. I think I'm gonna go, fuck it, let's just go with these today, you guys. The off-whites. Why not? Throw those by the door. All right, you guys, I'm gonna put my gym bag ready really quick and then I'll see you guys in a sec. All right, you guys, so we just got to the gym. Here's the shoes on. They go well with the baggy pants. I definitely wouldn't rock them without baggy pants, but I think I'm gonna hit some chest today, I think, some chest and shoulders. I did just back yesterday, so, and I'll see you guys in there, right? All right, you guys, so I'm leaving the gym right now and I'm on my way home. I'm actually gonna drive by my future home, and I wanna come on and talk to you guys here about something really quick, all right? And so when you're first starting out, you guys, all right, you have to understand that it's never going to be comfortable. Like, there's never going to be this comfortable, perfect moment to where it's like, oh, this is the perfect time to do it. It's actually, there's never a perfect time. There's never going to be a perfect time. There's never going to be this moment where all the stars align and it all goes great. That just doesn't exist, right? And so you have to make it the perfect time, right? And so take a step back, and success leaves clues, right? So oftentimes some of the biggest companies in the world, literally multi-billion-dollar companies, were found in recessions, right? And so what does that mean? Is that in the darkest times comes the greatest inventions. Seldomly, if never is going to be the perfect time. There's never going to be a perfect time to do this or a perfect time to do that or anything like that, you guys. You have to just understand that you have to make it the right time. You have to make it okay and do the right thing of making it uncomfortable and things like that, and be okay making the decision while being uncomfortable. And because that's just what it's going to take. Like, there's never going to be this perfect time, you guys, of like, oh, this is the right time for me to go start the business or whatever. It doesn't exist. It's about becoming comfortable with the uncomfortable and knowing that actually the more uncomfortable it is, the more of the reason that you need to do it. You have to get to this point where you find love and gratitude and enjoyment out of running to uncomfortable decisions, because you have to understand that uncomfortable decisions lead to growth. And that's where you have to change your belief system around the idea that uncomfortable decisions are bad things. Uncomfortable decisions are actually things that lead to growth. And so you have to really brainwash yourself to realize that making uncomfortable decisions, as long as they're within reason, that's what's going to lead you to growth. And it's about this obsession over growing, right? All right, guys, I'm going to head home right now. I'm going to finish up some stuff for the community meeting at 4 p.m., which is in 1 hour, I guess. Wow, time flies today. So it's in 1 hour. I'm going to put some stuff together that we're going to really go over, some like objection handling stuff and everything. And so I will see you guys at home in a little bit. All right, you guys, so it's a little bit, let's see what time it is. 20:08, so it's 8:08 right now. Wow, time has been going quickly. So I had the meeting today. We had the Discord community call today, and then I had another call right after for an Inner Circle guy, and then I had a friend call me about one of their business ideas, and then the guy that I'm running his offer for was on a call with him, and then one of my business partners, and so I've just been swamped a little bit, but all is good. The good kind of busy for sure. I'm gonna go get some food right now with David. David asked if I wanted to get some food, so probably gonna go to Soho House, I think. I've been telling you guys, but I've been super dialed these last few days, and the vlogs might be a little bit shorter in duration, but I'm trying to get back on the longer ones, like the hour plus ones for you guys, and at least with that, if not, I'm trying to like kind of capture more of solid moments, you know? So yeah, it's Soho House. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to record. Not a huge deal. I'll try to pull the phone out as much as I can. David's gonna drive tonight. I am removed from driving duties, which is good. Throw on the shoes here. Oh, I'm also sending out invoices for sending some exports to my accounting team so they can send invoices for the fulfillment company for this month, because February is a shorter month. But I was telling you guys earlier in this vlog, you know, the reality is, you guys, there's just never going to be a perfect time to start, and you got to just start, right? You got to just do it. And so, as you guys know, like in real life, hold on, the lights are going to get dark. I've been doing all this in real life, as I like to call it. The reality is, like, been doing all this stuff in real life before I even came on the internet and doing it. So I just started filming it, if that makes sense. And so the reality is, I've had a lot of people that have like seen the vlogs in my day-to-day life, and they've been like, oh damn, like I was talking to somebody at the gym about it today. He was like, damn, you know, you're very good on camera. And I was like, oh, thank you, whatever. And it kind of made me start thinking. It was like, what do I do to kind of do that? And first and foremost, from the music back in the day, I've been on camera. I've been kind of comfortable on camera for a while now. That's been like pretty normal for me, if you will. But something that I do is I remind myself that I'm just talking to one person. When I'm looking at the camera right now, I just feel like I'm talking to you behind the screen. Yeah, but like in all seriousness, I just feel like I'm talking to one person. I don't think of like the 2,000 people that see the vlogs or the 500 people or whatever. You know, I don't really think of that, you know? I just think of it as more so as just talking to one person. Like I tell you guys all the time, it's not about the money, but the person that you become along the way. And I feel like that I've just become the person that's worthy of being listened to, whatever it may be, right? And so my point being is, it's like you have to become that person and be the person that's really worthy of that. I feel like I am that. And so look at you guys. Look what this fucking guy's picking me up in. What do you have to say? Look at this, you guys.
I want to know.
The HOA guy is right over there. I walked over. He's this older dude, homeowner association or whatever, and he probably's looking at the car and saying, what the fuck is going on?
Why?
Well, I don't know. We have Satan wagon printed on the side of the car. I don't give a fuck. I'm just saying. Soho House or what?
I don't know.
You know what's crazy? Like you said the other day, this doesn't fuck with your hair. Like the way the windshield is or whatever. You know what I mean?
No, but you can still do this. Here on top. This.
Oh, whoa.
Open and it kind of like deflects, and even behind us, that fucking thing, so the air doesn't like turbulate. Right?
Interesting. Look at this wrap on here. What color is that?
Not black.
Not satin?
Yeah, it's the same shit. So we just record everything. We cannot even listen to our music.
What do you mean? All right, you guys, since David is driving, I'll give him the benefit of the doubt. All right, guys, we're gonna decide where we're gonna go. Guys, I'll talk to you guys in a second. David's, you know, I'll see you guys. All right, you guys, so I just finished up eating at Soho House. I'm in this random corner over here, so I can't record, and I don't want to bring my phone out. Just a bad look, like having them come over and tell you, hey, stop recording. But so we're gonna go home right now. We ate a lot. Gonna go home, and then I will see you guys there. All right, you guys, so it's the next morning. I forgot to film an outro last night. I went to bed. As you guys can probably see in my eyes, I'm just been working like 24/7. It's in spurts, you know. I'm always working like this, but there's some moments where you give more and more, and I just love making content for you guys and being able to do this. So, you know, it's just been a process trying to put these systems in place and to streamline it. And I, you know, overwork now, so then eventually it'll pay off and these systems pay off, you know, and you can have these systems in place, but you got to work extra hard to put those systems in place. And so with that being said, you guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I want to thank you guys so much that's been tuning in, commenting, subscribing. We just hit 500 subs, you guys. You can see, bam, we did it, you guys. We're not even that we did it. We're not even anywhere close to 100K, but we're on the journey, and it's operating from the vibration of being at 100K, and we're there. Next stop's 1K, then 10K, then 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on. But it's really about just impacting the world, you guys, just impacting people, right? Impacting yourself, becoming a better person so you can impact other people, right? So that being said, you guys, stay confident, stay humble, stay persistent, stay grateful. Just keep on going, raise your standard, raise the bar, demand more yourself, all right, guys? Well, thank you guys so much. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
The fine. I ain't seen the sun in 7 days like I've been doing time. That's just how I got the back, built up when I'm on it.